Hello friends, welcome to GK Plus. This is the second part of 100 most important Indian history questions and answers. Let's begin. Going to first question. Which was the first Indus Valley site to be discovered? Here options are A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Lothal, D. Kalibangan. Answer A. Harappa. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization because Harappa was first site to be discovered. John Marshall was the first archaeologist to use the term Indus civilization. What is the geographical position of Indus Valley civilization? The geographical position of Indus Valley civilization extends from Manda in Jammu and Kashmir in the north side, Dayamabad now in Maharashtra in south, Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh in the east side, Sukkan Jendor, Balochistan now in Pakistan, the west side. Moving to second question. The Indus Valley civilization is identified with which age? Here options are A. Iron Age, B. Copper Age, C. Bronze Age, D. Rigvedic Age. Answer C. Bronze Age. Indus Valley civilization, Bronze civilization, its duration 2500 BC to 1750 BC. Moving to third question. Which among the following is the largest Indus Valley site? Options A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Ragi Garhi, D. Banavali. Here answer C. Ragi Garhi. Ragi Garhi located at Haryana. Discovered by Suraj Ban and Acharya Bhagwan Dev. Discovered by Suraj Ban and Acharya Bhagwan Dev. It was the largest Indus Valley site. Moving to fourth question. Lothal is famous for the discovery of which among the following? Options are A. Bronze dancing girl, B. Doki art, C. Mother goddess, D. Pashupati seal. Answer B. Dockyard. Dockyard, a waterside area containing docks, workshop, warehouses, extra for building, outfitting and repair ship. A large rectangular water-filled structure may look like reservoir, but is in fact ancient dock and one of the oldest in world. Is located at the Lothal, situated about 85 kilometers south of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Lothal is one of the few sites within the Indus Valley civilization that is accessible to India. Moving to fifth question. The Great Bath and Bronze Dancing Girl belongs to which site? Here options are A. Lothal, B. Dholavira, C. Banavali, D. Mohenjo-daro. Answer D. Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath resembles a large swimming pool. This building is 55 meter long and 35 meter wide. It is an archaeological site which was built around 2500 BC and was one of the largest settlement of ancient Indus Valley civilization. Its exact location, it is located in the provincial district of Sindh, now in Pakistan. Moving to sixth question. Here one more point. The dancing girl is a bronze statuette created over 4,500 years ago, and it's a rare and unique masterpiece. It was found in the ancient Mohenjo-daro site in 1926. Moving to sixth question. Who wrote Indica? It's a previous RRB JE 2014 question. Who wrote Indica? Options are A. Kaudilya, B. Kalidasa, C. Shudraga, D. Megasthenes. Answer D. Megasthenes. Indica is written by the great ambassador Megasthenes. He was sent to Chandragupta Maurya's court by the Greek ruler Seleucus Nicator. During his stay in the capital Pataliputra, he recorded his impressions about India. Moving to seventh question. Name the stupa that was built by Ashoka. Options: Borobudur, B. Sanchi, C. Amravati, D. Nagarjuna Konda. Answer B. Sanchi. The Great Stupa at Sanchi, India, was originally built in the 3rd century BC by the Mauryan Emperor Ashok and is believed to house ashes of the Buddha. Moving to 8th question. Kalidasa was the court poet of which ruler? Options are A. Chandragupta II, B. Skandagupta, C. Ramagupta, D. Kumaragupta. Answer A. Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II, also called Vikramaditya. Kalidasa was a court poet of King Vikramaditya. He is said to have ruled from Ujjain around 1st century BCE. Kalidas was one of the Navaratnas of Vikramaditya's court. Moving to 9th question. The most important text of Vedic mathematics is an important, very, very important question. Options are Sadapada Brahman, Atharva Veda, C. Sulva Sutras, D. Chandogya Upanishad. Answer C. Sulva Sutras. Moving to 10th question. Ujjain was the capital of which Mahajanpada? Options are A. Kuru, B. Kashi, C. Panchala, D. Avanti. Answer D. Avanti. Moving to 11th question. Who was the last Maurya ruler? Option A. Chandragupta II, B. Kalashoka, C. Bimbisara, D. Brihadrata. Brihardatta. Chandragupta, Kalashoka, Bimbisara, Brihardatta. Answer D. Brihardatta. Brihardatta was the last ruler of the Mauryan Empire. He ruled from 187 to 184 BC. 187 to 184 BC. He was assassinated by his general Pushyamitra Shunga, who went on to establish the Shunga Empire. It's also an important point. Moving to 12th question. At which Harappan site traces of a horse have been found? Options are A. Dholavira, B. Surkoda, C. Harappa, D. Banwali. Answer B. Surkoda. Surkoda located in Gujarat. Sri J.P. Joshi discovered in 1964. Okay. Here, Dholavira is also discovered by J.P. Joshi. Here, 1967 to 1968, that period. Dholavira is the only site that was divided into 3 parts. Moving to 13th question. Which metal was not known to the Harappan people? Options: A. Copper, B. Bronze, C. Silver, D. Iron. Answer D. Iron. Moving to 14th question. At which place in Harappan civilization a bearded man in statite has been found? At which place in Harappan civilization a bearded man in statite has been found? Options: A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Chanhujudaro, C. Kalibangan, D. Rangpur. Here answer A. Mohenjo-daro. Its meaning mound of the dead. Here statite means a stone which contains a large amount of mineral talc. A bearded man in a stone image has been found at Mohenjo-daro. Moving to 15th question. The home of Gargi, Maitreyi, Kapila was at. Here options are A. Vidisha, B. Ujjain, C. Patliputra, D. Mithila. Is an important question. Answer D. Mithila. Mithila now located at Bihar or Jharkhand region. Here, Gargi was an ancient philosopher in Vedic culture. So, she was a person with knowledge of Brahma Vidya. Here, Maitreyi is also a woman philosopher. Kapila is also a philosopher. He was the author of philosophical system Sankhya. It's an important point. Kapila was the author of philosophical system Sankhya. Sankhya philosophy. He was the author of Sankhya philosophy. Kapila was the author of Sankhya philosophy. Moving to 16th question. The university which became famous in the post-Gupta era was. Options are A. Kanji, B. Taxila, C. Nalanda, D. Vallabhi. Answer C. Nalanda. Nalanda University. It's a very important point. Kumaragupta I was the founder of Nalanda University. Nalanda University is located in Bihar state. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and famous Buddhist and Jain pilgrimage city too. Nalanda University is an important point. Moving to 17th question. Bhanabhatta was the court poet of which emperor? Option A. Vikramaditya, B. Kumaragupta, C. Harshavardhana, D. Kanishka. Answer C. Harshavardhana. Bhanabhatta wrote the biography of Harshavardhan, that is Harshacharitra. What is the biography of Harshavardhan? Harshacharitra. And one of the earliest novel, Kadambari, is also written by Bhanabhat. Parvati Parinaya is also his book. And Bhanabhatta is the Asthan poet of Harshavardhan. Means royal poet, Asthan. Bhanabhat is the Asthana poet of Harshavardhana. Moving to 18th question. The first Indian ruler who established the supremacy of Indian Navy in Arabian Sea was? Option A, Rajaraja I, B, Rajendra I, C, Rajadiraja I, D, Kulotunga I. Answer, Rajendra I. Chola dynasty was a Tamil dynasty of South India. They are one of the longest rulers dynasty in history. Vijayalaya was the founder of Chola dynasty. And one more point, Chola empire was near to Arabian Sea. Rajaraja Chola first was a powerful king in south. Rajendra Chola was the son of that Rajaraja Chola, and he had an efficient navy system. He expanded the Chola empire from where his father Rajaraja Chola had left. Apart from reaches northwards to river Ganges and moving over seas to Maldives and Sri Lanka, he also invaded Malaysia, Indonesia and Thailand also. Moving to 19th question. The rulers of which dynasty started the practice of granting tax-free villages to Brahmins and Buddhist monks? Options are A, Shatavahanas, B, Mauryas, C, Guptas, D, Cholas. Answer A, Shatavahanas. Shatavahana kingdom comprised present Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Telangana. One more point. Gautami Putra Shatakarhi was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. Gautami Putra Shatakarhi was the most powerful ruler of Shatavahanas kingdom. Shatavahana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana. Gautami Putra Shatakarni was a powerful ruler. Moving to 20th question. Yavanika or curtain was introduced in Indian theatre by which of the following? Options are A, Shakas, B, Parthias, C, Greek, D, Kushans. Here answer C, Greek. Yavanika, the word introduced by Panini. He was the first Sanskrit grammarian. And important point, his first book, Ashtadhyayi. Yavanika is the word introduced by Panini. First, he was the first Sanskrit grammarian. Okay friends, second part is over here. Please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Also, press the bell icon. Thank you friends.